Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this vlog I will be sharing my experience of staying at Residence Inn Marriott in Calgary. So as soon as you enter the hotel, you will be in the reception area where you can check in for the day. There was this huge staircase, but I did not get a chance to go and see what was up there. The hotel's lobby was connected to Stable Cafe, which also had a separate entrance of its own from the outside. I have been here in the past and it's a good cafe, but this time I just did not have enough time to be here again.
Okay, so let's give you guys a room tour.
As soon as you enter, you are greeted with a massive living room with huge windows that overlook Calgary downtown. This was an apartment style suite, so it had a huge living room along with a big dining table and a massive kitchen as well. The kitchen had all the basic appliances along with utensils, cutleries, and glassware as well.
There's a dishwasher, sink, and there is dish soap, sponge, towels, electric kettle, toaster, paper towel, and a small little whatever this is called, and coffee machine with coffee. I think it's all the same. Yeah. And what do they have for plates, cups? What's in here? Cutlery, knives. Ooh, you can also cook. More utensils. More things, which is nice. Garbage. And then the fridge. Nice. It's clean. Freezer. And then right here is the dressing area, closet area, whatever you may want to call it. There is a locker. I already kept my bag here. Iron, extra blankets, and then this area to keep your luggage.
And if you go here, this is the washroom. Okay. Makeup remover, cleansing wipe. What's this? Lotion. There's a hair dryer, extra paper towel, towels. Oh, this doesn't open. And of course, showering area. And these days, all the hotels, instead of the small bottles, are keeping this because it's environment friendly.
And here's the bedroom. So it's a nice king size bed, and there is phone. There's a TV in the room, which I like. And what's that? I don't know. Never tried this before. This is a new thing. And let's check out the view. And this window, we'll open it and you'll see the view. Look at that. Now it feels like that we are in Calgary.
After checking into the hotel, we decided to check out this local lounge called Fleetwood. As soon as I entered, I was super impressed by the interiors because it looked so classy. The menu was good with some very nice cocktail and vegetarian food options. I really liked the look and feel of this lounge as the color scheme that was used was very classy and overall it was a great vibe. I ordered a Mai Tai, which was a little bit of a show off with the fire on the top, but it was nice. And this one was called the Smoke Show. Both of these drinks were great and we really enjoyed our time here. The next morning, we went for our breakfast at Residence Inn, which was included. I was not expecting such a huge variety of options here, so it was a pleasant surprise. There was a huge variety of tea and coffee, along with several options for hot breakfast, including some vegetarian options as well. I was very happy to see chickpea curry on the menu, but it was a chef's special, so I'm not sure what you'll find on another day. There was also an option to get rice, which I really love because in my breakfast I had chickpea and rice. They also had the regular breakfast stuff, which is sausages, scrambled eggs and bacon. They also had a fruit bar and a salad bar with various options for each, and you can create your own fruit or salad bowl. They also had these waffle machines in which you can make your own waffle. Then they also had the porridge along with several different types of toppings. They also had multiple types of cereal along with so many different types of milks. They had hot milk, cold milk, skim milk, almond milk and oat milk. They also had packaged chocolate milk and the regular 2% milk. Along with that, they had a huge selection of packaged yogurt, and I was quite impressed by the variety they had. They also had a filtered water tap along with a juice vending machine, and the juice that I had was quite fresh. And then my favorite part of every breakfast buffet is the sweets and the bread. So they had so many varieties to choose from. They had bagels, breads, and all sorts of muffins, and so much more. I was truly impressed by all the options that they had for breakfast. I would highly recommend staying here if you are coming to visit Calgary. And that is it for this vlog, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye bye.